Alright guys, it snowed last night like crazy and now we're having freezing rain all day today, and I had to shovel this because look at this. That's just in front of my door. That's how much snow I had. The snow accumulated over that pipe, so thank God I woke up and took the snow out of there. And I had to put some more salt up there because it's accumulating on my roof again. But it's crazy out here, guys. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. Like, the snow drifted a lot, so thank God there's not too much around the car, but it's crazy. You could hear the freezing rain. You could see the freezing rain. Yep, beautiful day in Canada.